Hey, what's going on guys? Ryan back here at detailking.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at an all-new innovative way to apply ceramic coating to your wheels using an airbrush. So by now we should all know what ceramic coatings are. This is Jade Quartz, Detail King's premium ceramic coating. It has a 9H hardness and provides 4 years of protection. Ceramic coatings are pretty much the best way to protect any surface of your vehicle. However, they can be quite time consuming, especially all those intricate small areas that sometimes you can't even reach. On almost every vehicle, the hardest part to ceramic coat is the wheels. It can take a lot of time, and we all know time is money. So today we'll be demonstrating a way to save time, and that means saving money on ceramic coating wheels. So before we begin, let's take a look at all the tools we'll need for this process. Detail King's Super Blue tire dressing, a contour tire dressing applicator, refresh surface prep. We have a respirator in eye protection, a few different microfiber towels, Jade Quartz premium ceramic coating, and an airbrush, and we also have an airline and air compressor that hooks up to our airbrush. Also, behind the wheel here, we have a plastic bag that covers the brakes and rotors, and then we have paper up here to protect the top tread pattern of the tire. So to save time, we already prepared this tire. Let's walk through the steps of what we did real quick. The first thing we did was take something that would cover the tread pattern of the tire so we don't get any ceramic coating overspray on it. In this case, we used paper and some safe release tape. Next, we took Detail King's Super Blue tire dressing and a contour tire dressing applicator and dressed the tire. What this does is it creates a sacrificial barrier that protects the face of the tire from getting contaminated with ceramic coating overspray. Next, we needed a way to protect the caliper, brakes, and rotor. So what we did, we took a plastic bag and simply fed it behind the wheel and overlaid it over top of the caliper and rotor. The last step in our wheel prep process is to use our Refresh Surface Prep. Refresh Surface Prep strips the wheel of any grease or wax. That way the ceramic coating can properly bond to the wheel and it can last the life of the ceramic coating. Refresh demonstrates good foaming properties, which provide a layer of lubrication between the painted surface and the microfiber towel without leaving behind any residual film. Also, maybe one of the most important steps is that you need to have protective gear to protect yourself from the atomized silica in the air. So it's necessary to have a respirator and eye protection. First, remove the dropper from the Jade Quartz bottle, like shown here, and then fill the airbrush filler tank with a small amount of the ceramic coating. You'll want to find something to practice on so you can get the spray pattern absolutely perfect to what you feel comfortable with. Here, I'm going to demonstrate on a cardboard box. Once you have your desired spray pattern, you'll want to start at the top of the wheel and start applying and work your way down. Once the wheel is fully coated, you'll only have to wait 5 to 10 seconds before the coating starts to harden. Check the wheel for any high spots and knock it down with a microfiber towel. After about 10 seconds, take your microfiber towel and lightly wipe down the wheel. Apply just very little pressure, enough to hold the towel on the surface. Applying too much pressure can start to leave waves in the ceramic coating. Okay guys, make sure you give your wheels 18 to 24 hours of cure before driving out in the natural elements. Hopefully this helps save you some time and ultimately money when ceramic coating your vehicle, especially your wheels. To stay up to date on everything Detail King, check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Make sure you subscribe to see all our videos. And don't forget to visit us right here at detailking.com, where we have everything you need to keep your car clean like a Detail King. See you guys next time.